superstructure. Proceed with the 3D scan.
Synchronization complete. Status check complete. All readings are green.
Watch the tension on those chains. All hands, secure the lines immediately! We need more power from the tugs.
Tug 2, increase power slightly to port. Hold the bow steady. We are making way into the basin.
Bring it down slowly now, watch the stern. We are clear on this side.
The deformation here at frame 152 is significant.
Yes, the laser scan shows the plating integrity is compromised in the red zones.
sequence initiated. Clearance looks good on the starboard side. Keep it steady.
Torque 2, 500. Check.
Keep the alignment true. Watch the starboard side. Copy that. Watching the starboard. Cut complete. Clear the zone. Crane on gauge. Slow lift. Watch the swing. Watch the swing. All right, bring her down steady. Watch the alignment. Coming down, clear below.
I want the cross beams here and here. Double check the stress points before we go higher.
Easy now, bring it down slow, slow. All right, hold it there. This is the most complex part of the restoration.
Yes, the corrosion on the starboard side is worse than the schematics suggested.
Check the alignment on level 4 again.
It's seated correctly now. Hit it with the torque wrench.
Engaged and tightening.
Bring it down easy, watch the clearance. Clear on the port side. Ready the welders. Stop the descent. Shift to the left, now easy. All right, bring it down. Torque is good on the main coupling.
All right, opening the bypass now.
Steady pull on the main conduit. We're almost past the coupling. Keep the tension even.
Bridge testing.
Lowering sequence engaged, hold steady. Watch your spacing there, Kenji. All right, easy now, set it down. Lower it slowly, watch the starboard side.
All right, lowering slowly.
Secure the clamps now.
Clear the area below. We are lowering the section now.
Move it out!
How does that seam look? It's clean. Okay to proceed.
Go ahead!
Weight is clear of the deck, swinging to starboard.
Reading a 2.5 degree list, data steady.
Roger that. Secure the weight and confirm stability.
Mooring rope secured, sir. Checklist item 4, verified.
Excellent. See to the provisions next.
One more pull. All right, she's locked in. Lower it slowly now.
Hold it right there. We're almost aligned.
Okay, bring it down gently.
This here is the Type 96 25mm anti-aircraft gun. It was the standard automatic weapon of the Imperial Japanese Navy during World War II.
All right, easy now. Keep it steady.
Clear on the left, coming around.
Bring it down very gently.
It's settled in the cradle. Alignment confirmed.
Engaging the driver now.
Alarm activation sequence initiated. Pressure reading stable.
Confirmed. Switching to manual override test. Status green.
Adjusting servo limits on fixture 3. How's the spill on the pagoda mast?
Looking good. Angle is locked. Hold that position.
All teams, report to auxiliary control room immediately. Move faster.
We're approaching Bulkhead 7. Stand by for status update. Confirmed. We have visual on the secondary objective.
Bridge level.
Make sure the sign is clearly visible from the main entrance. We need to tighten this curve here.
All barriers are secure, ready for the morning crowd.
The inspection is complete. Everything is in order.
Excellent. Thank you for your time.
The Battleship Yamato is cleared for public access.
I can't believe we're finally here.